What are IP addresses and how to find yours? Ever wondered how your devices magically connect to the internet? Well, the magic word is IP address. It's like your device's digital home address, but don't worry, you don't need a GPS to find it. I'm going to break down what IP addresses are, how they work, and drumroll please, how you can find your own. If you just want to know how to find your own IP, please feel free to skip ahead. Let's get started. What is an IP address? Well, it stands for Internet Protocol Address. It's a unique string of numbers assigned to each device connected to a network. Think of it as your device's phone number for the internet. Without it, your devices would be shouting into the digital void like a lost tourist without Google Maps. IP addresses come in two flavors, IPv4 and IPv6. IPv4 is the OG, but we're running out of those, so IPv6 is stepping in with way more combinations. Think of it as moving from a small-town phone book to a global directory. IPv6 has a much larger address space than IPv4, with 340 sextillion unique IP addresses compared to IPv4's 4.3 billion. How are IP addresses used? IP addresses do the heavy lifting in your internet connection. When you type funny cat videos into your browser, your IP address tells YouTube where to send those adorable clips. Without it, you'd be staring at a loading screen forever. Nobody wants that. They're also used for identifying devices on a network. That's why your smart fridge doesn't accidentally order groceries for your neighbor. It's smart, but not that smart. How to find your IP address now, the moment you've been waiting for. How to find your own IP address. It's easier than you think. If you're on a Windows PC, here's what you do. Hit the Windows key and type CMD to open Command Prompt. Type ipconfig and hit Enter. Boom! Your IP address will pop up under IPv4 address. It's like pulling a rabbit out of a hat, but techier. Linux users, don't feel left out. Open a terminal and type ifconfig or ipadr show and hit Enter. Your IP address will be listed under inet next to your active network connection. It's as straightforward as it gets. Mac user, no problem. Just go to System Preferences greater than Network. Select your connected network and your IP address will be right there. It's like finding your keys where you always leave them. For your smartphone, it's even simpler. On iPhone, head to Settings greater than Wi-Fi, tap the little I next to your network, and there it is. Android users, go to Settings greater than Network and Internet greater than Wi-Fi, tap your network, and voila. Or if you're feeling lazy, just Google, "What's my IP?" and the internet will tell you. It's like asking a friend for directions, but without judgment. And there you have it. IP addresses uncovered. Whether you're troubleshooting your internet or just curious, now you know how to find your device's digital home. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Until next time, stay connected, keep learning, and keep those IPs safe. If you have any ideas on which topic you would like me to discuss in future videos, let me know in the comments.